How's it going, everybody? Biker Dave here in a 2013 BMW 128i, and we're just learning about the car a little bit. Notice when you see an exclamation mark by that triangle right there, that's called a check control message. And if you want to find out what the message is, you basically go with these buttons right along here, this guy up here. So you basically keep your eye on the screen up here and keep pushing the up button until a message pops up that includes the words check. Okay, so let's watch the screen. We're going up. Now we'll push the button on the outside. Okay, and there's an exclamation mark that pops up right there. Okay, and once you see the little insignia up top there, hold in the BC button, just hold it in for a few seconds, and you'll see a message pop up along the bottom. That's disappeared now, so you have to do it kind of quickly. Okay, right there. Hold the button in 2, 3, 4 seconds. That message pops up at the bottom there. Google that string right there, CCID 136, which for this car means left brake lamp needs investigating. And you can Google that number there and you'll find out what that means. So it's basically a little trouble code, but it doesn't mean the end of the world necessarily. Anyway, so yeah, we just got this car and we're still learning about it. So whenever you see that little insignia there, that's how you get to it, and then you can, Google what the message needs, and either you or a mechanic, can hopefully solve it. Anyway, check out other videos about this car. This is a really good little car, 3-liter inline 6 convertible. Also, we got other videos about it on how to do stuff with it and whatnot. But really good car. Very happy with it so far. And check out other videos. We got more cool stuff on the car. Ford Focus ST, Mustang EcoBoost Performance Pack, Dodge Durango, Cadillac ATS-V, all kinds of stuff on the channel. So check it out, and we shall see you all later.